Whether you're having a plumbing emergency or just planning ahead, choosing the right plumber for your job is the difference between having a great experience or a total nightmare. We've heard all the horror stories. Workers who show up late, if at all. Shoddy jobs done by unqualified plumbers. And silly prices, especially when it's an emergency. But don't panic. TMT Central has got this. As a full-service plumbing and heating company, our friendly team of highly skilled professionals will complete your job better than you ever dreamed. What makes us superior to the rest? Our secret is simple. We are trustworthy and show up on time. All of our plumbers and central heating engineers are fully qualified and hold a gas safety certificate. And we have a proven track record of customer satisfaction. Just look at all of our 5-star Google reviews. TMT Central is conveniently located in central London. From a simple dripping tap to a complex boiler, we're ready to help with all your domestic and commercial plumbing and heating needs. Honesty, reliability, quality. Nobody does it better than TMT Central. So give us a call and book your appointment today at 020-3950-3309.